So we just arrived at the Andaz in Wailea, and I have to give you a room tour. It is so stunning. So, room tour time. Hey guys, so we are back in Maui. It's been about 3.5 weeks since we were last here and we just couldn't stay away. I'm kidding, we actually had, oh, that's our bags. So I didn't think I was gonna vlog on this trip because I thought it was just gonna be like work events for him the whole time. We're gonna be with work people the whole time, but I'm gonna open the door. It seems like they actually have a lot of free time, and it's basically just dinners each night that they do as a group. So there's gonna be a lot of time that's just me and him. So I thought maybe I'll actually vlog it. If not, footage is fun to have. But yeah, just standing out on the balcony now. This view is incredible. I'm so happy to be back. It was just, we didn't have long enough here. I know we were here for 8 days, but it wasn't quite long enough. So I've got just a couple emails to do. So I'm gonna sit here and do my emails. Could be a lot worse. So it's a bit later, I just finished working and I came out. Donnie's about to come back. I saw him walking out. But look at this view. The sun's starting to go down just a little bit. And I just opened up these blinds and this wedding reception is so pretty out here. Oh my gosh. So pretty. So anyway, just looking at the beautiful view. Good morning, guys. It is probably about 8 o'clock and we are about to go get breakfast. I just came out to take a look at the ocean. We woke up at like 6 this morning and I've just been laying around. It was so nice to kind of watch the sunrise and just wake up slowly this morning. But now I'm starving and I think it's time for breakfast. So we might go back to Humble Market Kitchen, which is back at the Marriott that we stayed at like 3 doors down. It's like a 10-minute walk. So we're gonna go get some breakfast and then I'm not sure what's on the agenda today. I know we wanna go get facials or like a massage or some sort of spa treatment because we have like a credit to the hotel to do that. And I wanna go back to the beach. So we'll see what the day has in store for us. We just got back from breakfast. We ended up going to Humble Market Kitchen and I got their avocado toast and it was so good. Then we came back and tried to book some spa services for today, but unfortunately everything's booked up for the windows that we wanted today. So we're just gonna go tomorrow. So we booked a couples facial and we get to go to a little spa studio that looks out over the water and do a little couples facial. So that's gonna be fun. I'm looking forward to that tomorrow. We're gonna do that tomorrow afternoon. And yeah, now we just got changed into our bathing suits and we're gonna go check out, there's a beach right out in front of us. Looks like it would have nice snorkeling. You can rent snorkel equipment here. Actually, it's free. It's included in the resort fee. I'm excited to go and get in the water. What's up, guys? I'm just laying on the beach now. We went to the beach, we went to lunch. We ate at Morimoto and it was so good. If you are here in Wailea, I highly recommend it. Oh my gosh, it was like some of the best food I've had in a while. So that was really yummy. And then we went to the pool for a bit. Now we're back at the beach. Everyone's in the water playing with football, but I wanted a nap, so I've been laying here and taking a nap. And I just thought I'd give you the update because I haven't vlogged much because I've been folks from Donnie's work, but had a sec to myself, so I thought I'd say hey. And now I'm gonna go back and resume napping. Good morning, guys. I am lost looking for yoga. It's like 6:50 and we do a 7 to 8 o'clock yoga class because it's included in the resort fee, and I am so excited. I just got done with yoga and it was lovely. I thought it was going to be an inside studio, but they actually took us out onto the grass. I got a quick shot as we were just finishing up after our shavasana, and it was the perfect way to start the day. We were right by the water, you could hear the waves, and it was just like the perfect way to start the day. So I'm so relaxed now, but I'm starving. So I'm gonna wake Donnie up and see if he wants to go get breakfast, because I've heard the buffet here is amazing. We didn't do it yesterday, so we're gonna do it today, and I'm really excited. Oh, this has just been so nice and perfect, and I'm so excited to go spend the day here. Got back from breakfast. My hair's a little crazy. It was so good. The donuts were by far the best part, and they had passion fruit curd to go with all of their like pancakes and waffles and everything. It was so good. They also have some really good hot sauces. They have a pineapple hot sauce that I've been putting on a bunch of stuff, and it was really good. So it was expensive, but if you're staying here and you want to treat yourself, it's definitely worth it. Hey guys, I'm not vlogging much today. We had a very lazy day. We went to the beach, we went to lunch again at Morimoto, and now we just got ready for dinner. We're going to Maui Tropical Plantation, and I'm really excited. That was on the list of places I looked at to go when we were here, but I'm just standing on our balcony right now, and it's so pretty. Look at how beautiful. I'm just waiting for Donnie to get ready. Our Uber's on its way, and we got facials today. That was the other thing. So that glow, all thanks to lovely Kat, my facialist. She did such a nice job. It was really fun. She asked in the beginning if I wanted to be told everything that they were putting on my face as she went through it, or if I wanted to talk about it at the end, and I was like, no, I'm curious, tell me everything. So as she put on each product, she told me what it was, what it did. So yeah, I'm feeling nice and glowy, and my face looks so fresh. So that was fun. Donnie and I got a couple's facial here, and it was really nice and relaxing. We both had a really good experience. And yeah, now we're gonna head out to dinner. So I just called our Uber, and we need to head down because I think they're just a couple minutes away. So off to dinner, and then tomorrow we have just about a half day. Our flight leaves at 1, so we're gonna try to get us up early so we can get a little bit more time here. But I'll give you guys a quick look at the view because it's so pretty. Look how beautiful. I love it here. I don't want to go home. One last sunset. Hey guys, it's our last morning here in Hawaii, and we just came back to Humble Market Kitchen for breakfast. We're just headed in. Donnie already got our table. I just went to the restroom, but we're just headed in to get some breakfast, and then we're gonna go to the pool for a tiny bit, and then that's gonna be it. Gotta go to the airport pretty soon, but trying to make the most of our last day here. We just got done with breakfast, and then we stopped by the pool for a tiny bit just to cool off, and now we gotta pack up and head out. Our flight leaves at 1, so we gotta get going pretty soon. It's about 10 o'clock now, and yeah, it's sad. I don't want to leave, but it's such a nice trip. Such a pretty view. All right, gotta go pack.